Hey guys, so I recently figured out that most people, including mine, don't have like properly displayed profile picture on their on when they send their emails. So for example, I don't know, let's say Dave Gray here. You see he doesn't have, and I had the same thing in my case, even though I had like something here, like my picture wasn't displaying when I sent an email. And I think it's a big mistake because I think because email has so little information and social proof, especially if sending like cold emails, I think it matters a lot that there's like your picture. And there's even actually even cooler way you can have a moving picture, which is a GIF that I think even is even better because something moving in an email. So the simple way you do that, well, it's not simple. I had to dig for it, but you basically have to go to your like admin Google console for your account. And then you have to here on the left, you have to find directory settings and like directory settings. Then you go to profile editing. And then you have to tick this. Allow users to change their profile picture. For a lot of you, this is gonna be disabled. And then you click save. And then I think then the next part you can do is you can either directly open this and click on the photo here and change the photo. Oh, see, and you will be able to select here anyone or your organization. So select anyone, and then you can pick from your computer either GIF or you can just normal PNG. I think GIF is cool. It's so easy to do them. You can just open up Canva or Trello, whatever else you use, and just add like some small animation. I don't have any scientific data to support that it's gonna be add like, I don't know, 10% to your open rates and 20 to your reply rates, but based on my knowledge of like how human brain works, I think it should improve. Like just having it, then having maybe some color that is distinct even more. And then if it's moving, that should do it. But also, it really depends on maybe like your industry or wherever you are, like how professional you want it to be, or maybe not. Like, so think about that. But yeah, you can also upload the photo here. That's basically as simple as that. So worth doing, even it takes like a couple of minutes, and I think that should help, especially with cold emails. But if you send even just emails, I think it's good to see some face when you get someone's email, so it's like easier to spot. I think also in like your mobile, I don't see that the animation doesn't seem to work on my mobile Gmail, for example, like my moving GIF, but on my computer it does. So, but yeah, but for example, on Gmail on your phone, if you see, but on your Gmail, you always like have those pictures here, right? So that's even more important because on a computer, you don't have that really here, like at least my version of it. So yeah, that's kind of it. And I hope that helps. Cheers. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like what you see and you want to support this show, then make sure to subscribe and you will get notified about upcoming videos. Also, if you're interested to learn more about the quest for questions or want to work with me on marketing strategy or your personal brand, then head over to konradyerba.com. And also there you will find that you can download my book on email marketing and B2B marketing strategy called The Art of War on the Inbox. And in the meantime, let Yerba be with you.